So I guess we're gonna start with the elephant in the room from Fab Fit Fun. Yes, we are. One of the items that I picked for my fall Fab Fit Fun box was an umbrella. I had seen it on many channels that get the box in PR, and you'd also seen it on channels where people pay for their box. True. Yet, if they're going to give it out in PR and then not be able to produce it for people that pay for their box, personally, I think that's bait and switch. So what'd you get instead? I got a bar of Dove soap. Oh, wow. I will admit, this is oat milk and berry brulee, a plant milk cleansing bar. It does smell very, very nice. It's just the umbrella was, I'm checking prices here. Yes, the umbrella was listed at a retail of $46. This bar of soap is $6 and change. And they sent something else too. Yes, they did send me two items. A $6 bar of soap and from Washland, we have laundry strips. And these have a retail of, let me check the price there. Yes, these have a retail of $25. But even if you add 6 and 25, you don't get the same value as the umbrella. Exactly. These I've never really tried before. I might give them a try or I might pass them along. They have a clean scent with a hint of something that slightly resembles lavender. And lavender's not my thing. I get the concept of laundry strips. It decreases plastic waste in our environment. So, I mean, I'm not opposed to the concept. I'm just feeling like I got caught in a bait and switch with that umbrella. I did contact them and they finally got back to me after a couple of days. They were having a high volume of calls, which I guess is to be expected. They did get back to me and they are providing me a $29 store credit to help balance the budget somewhat, I guess. So I've got $29 that I can spend in their store anytime within the next 6 months. So at least I'm getting a little something, although I'm still, I will admit, a little bit salty about this one. As you should be. It does sound like a bait and switch. What do you think? Did they get sneaky or did they just run out of the item because maybe it was popular? Let us know down below. Another item that Anne chose from Radley, London is a vegan and suede jewelry box. Yes, I'm in need of a new jewelry box and this looks very nice. It's vegan on the outside, vegan leather, and then inside is suede. It looks like it will hold a good amount of things. The clasp works very nicely. It is a magnetic clasp and it clasps. So I am glad to get this item that I picked. And that was a $98 jewelry box. And normally I would not pay $98 for a jewelry box, yet part of the reason I like Fab Fit Fun is that you can get some items that you normally would not splurge on for a reasonable price. Another item that I picked came with a lifter, and I like the weight of this. It's got a good amount of weight with not being overly heavy and not being so light that I feel like I'm playing with a children's toy. A good lifter, and if the camera will pick it up, I think it is, it's got a nice end to it, so it's easy to slide under when you're lifting things from the 2 baking sheets that came with it. And this all had a retail of $45. And again, normally I would not go out and spend $45 on baking sheets, yet that's why we like subscription boxes. Let me show you those baking sheets. They're nice. This is the 2 of them. This is a very nice size, and they are a good weight. They're not just, you know, like a children's toy. These are a good weight. My baking sheets are past their prime, so I took advantage of the fact that I could get some nice ones for lesser price. And these are made by KitchenAid, and it says that they are 9 by 13 by 1 inch. Oh, we're gonna have to cook something. Yes, I bet we are. What do you see so far that you like? Let us know down below, because I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Do you get this box? And if you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to our channel. We're trying to grow and improve our channel. And I believe we also have a link in the description box if you're interested in trying Fab Fit Fun. I will admit, in as much as I am a little salty about the whole umbrella thing, this was the first time in the 2 years that I've had this box that I didn't get what I picked. And moving right along with this video, another item that Anne chose, and hopefully we can show you this without blinding you, is a shampoo. This is from Color Wow, and it's got such a shine to it that I can't show it to you too well. This is a product brand that I've used a couple of their items and have loved them. So I was very much excited to pick the Color Wow Color Security Shampoo, 100% clean, residue free. And it leaves no residues behind to dull your color, weigh your hair down, or impede hair growth. So, we shall see how this one goes. From a company that I think is pronounced Produce, I'm not for sure, we have a pair of sweater socks. And I got this same pair last year. I think it was from Fab Fit Fun, but I could be mistaken. It could have come in another box. In any case, I already have this, and I was tickled pink to be able to get another pair. These are so soft. They are over the knee socks. Help me out here, Fatima. Thank you. They're lengthy because they go over your knee. They stay in place. I was very happy to be able to pick another pair. I like to use these in colder weather. If we're going someplace for the entire day, I will put these on underneath jeans, and it helps keep me warm. So if they're still available, I would recommend grabbing a pair. Very nice, very soft, and they stay up even after you wash them a couple of times. They still stay up over your knee. They don't slide down. I've got a pair that I purchased from another company, and they don't stay up. They slide on down. These stay up. And like I said, after being washed several times, these stay up. If we forgot to mention it, those socks were $25, and this next item is also $25. This is from Tony Moly, and this was just something that I thought was too stinking cute. It's an eye cream in the shape of a pumpkin. It is sealed up, so I'm going to leave it sealed up so that it's ready for when I want to use it. But is that just not too stinking cute? So what did you think about Anne's choices for the second half of the box? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, I didn't bother to total up this box since I was aggravated with the umbrella thing. In any case, the cost of the box, if you go seasonal, is $69.99, and they changed it this summer. I believe the price went up, but seasonal members now get to pick all 6 categories. It used to be you didn't get to pick all 6 categories. You could only pick, I think, 3. I might be mistaken on that. But now they've changed it where a seasonal member can pick all 6 categories for $69.99. I have an annual subscription, so my box is $55. Granted, I have to pay the entire year all up front, all at once. So depending upon what your budget permits, you do what you got to do. I like the fact that I get a little bit of a discount, and I still also get to pick 6 items that this time around, unfortunately, I didn't get one of my items. I got something else, but they were able to work with me, and they did put a $29 credit on my account that I can utilize in the store. At least they were willing to provide some extra compensation rather than just saying, well, here's your bar of soap and here's your laundry soap. We thank you for taking the time to visit with us today while we went through our Fab Fit Fun for the Fall box. That's a tongue twister. Thanks again for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel, like, comment, notification bell, all that good stuff. Check out a playlist. Check out a video hopping up on the screen. Have a great day. Have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.